I'm going to assemble my Poppy figure, which I had just unboxed from Beach Riot Rise Up blind box series, which is very cool. Let me have a look at the box again in case you missed it. This is the blind box. This is a much bigger box than your usual figures because of the size of the figure and the accessories that come with it. Yeah, I have still images of this box to look at later on. But meanwhile, I just want to put her together with her synths. Shall I tear into it? Yeah, I do this. No, I shouldn't. I should be civilized and cut out. The accessories. So that's the base. Nice. This is a kitty cat. Head of a cat. So that's cool. This is where she stands. I think I will not remove the plastic sheets and the stickers. No, not for this point in time. Okay, that's the spoke for this. Nice. Like this. I'll set up the synthesizer. Remember the days when I look at this, I remember the days when I collected 1/6 scale figures and I was insane for synthesizers actually. Does this go like this? Yeah, it does. Does it stand this height? Yes, it does. There's no catch, you just lay on. Yeah. There it is. That's it. Can. The stand gets in the way, does it? Doesn't it? Or is this the other way around? I'm not too sure. There isn't yeah, maybe it's like this. You can see that the stand goes on top. I mean, aesthetically it makes sense like this, right? Yeah, there's no instructions. Oh, there's picture. No, the picture doesn't show the base, so the instruction isn't that clear. But cool, you have that. It's done. It is done. Let me see if I can move the camera without revealing too much. The background, which is a mess. I see the chocolate. I'm gonna have chocolate later. So yeah, this is Poppy. Can. So this is my boomer usage of camera. Looking at the toy. Yeah, bear with me, man. Bear with me. Let's have a look at the figure set again. I mean, very rarely I hold the camera because I don't think it's the easiest of ways to look at stuff, especially the mess around the house. So yeah, it works for me this way. Yeah. And with that, I will end this pretty short video. Please try it to rise up minifigures.